Hey guys, so today we'll be playing some Animal Hospital. I already know that the first patient will need herbs, and the second one will need eye drops. Like I'll show you that go in their eyes, just so you know. Into the microwave. What is it? Here, eat your herbs. Will you just stop clicking that stupid bell? What do you even want? Okay. What's his name now? Screenshot. I know, he's going in room 2. And yet, I'm going to give him the eye drops. It's going to their head, just so you know. They go in their mouth, not their eyes. Into the microwave! See, I told you. Oh my god! He looks more horrible today. Listen to me. I know Bonnie's not gonna go here. I'm gonna type Oh, thank you. I just got the nose class. It's my main class now. Bonk, stand that with an axe. Put it into the radiator. So is everything good with it? Into the microwave. And then into the shooter. Eating a Listen to me. It has been a minute. Oh. Woof. I'm gonna bite you. Okay. There you go, Bonnie. Okay. Give me my coffee! And let's do a Roblox with you. Boom, I have 2 Robux. Oh, don't tell me it's the headbanger. I'm gonna close it. Nope. I know that you're an anomaly. You're an anomaly. Okay, can someone fix the light here? Okay, let's check the cams. That looks good. Okay, now I'm checking it as a chef to cook you. Microwave. There. Blah, 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 blah. You headbanger! I don't care if you break it! Whatever, here's coffee. Bonk. Cago. Farilaki. Coco. Cago, coco, cago, coco, cago, coco. It hasn't been like 2 shots. It's been 2 days. Give me my coffee. Did Bo just poop? Poopy loopy, poopy goop, doop, poopy dookie, doopy. So I know you're an anomaly. You're an anomaly because you shot your pants. I'm gonna kill this guy. Because I'm going. If I am lying, I will quit. I know he's an anomaly. Okay, y'all, I quit. Good day.